Hello, TechSavvvvy's. Welcome to my setup video. I was showing this how I record my videos, but I used to record my videos, and just in general my equipment that I use. You can kind of see the back of the first step here, my PC screen capture setup. It's my Lenovo A5 I got this in 2014 for Christmas. I started the channel pretty much on this computer alone. I recorded, edited, and uploaded the very first video of TechSavvvvvy's, which was very horrible. Did not watch that video. That video was the worst video on YouTube today. But yeah, it's my booth and the plate mic I've been using for the last 2 years. This is standard USB microphone. No, I'm not sure what this thing looks like. These for the Minecraft PC gaming as well as VirtualBox videos. My endless tutorial, which I have not recorded yet. I just realized that. Crap. The other I use for this setup. I guess we move on to the next step. Alright. Next I'll show you guys my game console or console recording setup. So here I have my Xbox One. This is the 500GB original black model. I got it in 2015 for Christmas. With my 40-inch Samsung 550 series, 40-inch TV. Down here, you can see all the blue light as my Airbnb seat 75 capture card. As well as off to the right, you can see my HDMI switcher. So what this is, I bought this in 2015 or 16 or something like that. But focus on that. There we go. So, this cable in the back is coming from the Xbox One. This cable goes straight to the TV. This cable comes over here to the capture card. Here's the input port right here. And then this goes to the TV. Say I'm not recording, I can set this button right here to the one input. So it'll go straight to here to the TV. If I want to record, I'll hit it again. And I'll go into the capture card. Capture will put it back out to the TV. Open over here, my laptop. There's the back out here. The Airbnb 65 the recording software, Audio Central. Now to be straight up, Audio Central is a piece of fucking shit. Had something won't record the audio right. It's a fucking pain in my ass. I fucking gave up on this thing months ago. But because it won't handle OBS, I can't fucking use it. So I'm still Audio Central. Until recently I got the Cam link for the Mac Mini down here. That we use here. Over here we have the MacBook Pro. Along with the Blue Snowflake microphone and Audacity. This is how I get the audio recorded. I had to recently get an iMovie, which is a pain in the ass. It's fucking annoying as hell. Just running on that. There you go to record. And now it's recording as I speak. And I can get back out. I have that set for the scanner video so I can run the audio out through the audio out jack and into the mixer. I could use the capture card to the audio input, but by the time I found that out, I kind of already bought a new capture card, which is over here, which is the Elgato camera using Zoom for videos. More on that later. So with the camera, it's not special. This is a Canon HF R800 tied to the Amazon Basics. I'm gonna say 50-inch tripod. No, it's for a mic. Oh, there's an optional one on the side down here. And I guess it's on tripod. It's a pretty nice camera actually. It has a 32GB class 7 SD card in it. Probably a 4-inch screen, I think. I'm not quite sure. 3-inch. I'm not quite sure. It's 7 as you can see. In case the audio sounds better, I'll just leave it there and put the phone video over it. But yeah, this is a cool tripod. I mean, it's not the most neat, but just a tripod. I think it goes taller though. The camera's pretty good as well. It does up to 1080p. Pretty wireless. Oh yeah, 60 FPS. And yeah, I thought it to it. I got this in October 2017. Bought it at my birthday because it was the money that I needed. And yeah. I'm recording a video from the Dell 51 CMI video, or this camera video, but this is one more this camera video than just this. I'll unplug the short HDMI cable. You can use it me. I'm probably the only person that ever have to use this cable for anything good. I'll plug that from the capture input port and run this cable around to the computer. To the back where it had the NVGA 210 graphics card. And just like the console videos, I'll have the RX Central up. It is booting up. And I'll also use MacBook for recording the audio, which is turned off because I forgot most of these part of the video. So yeah, just all booted up. I also use the K400 mouse keyboard. Come back here and sit on my couch. And I'll have the TV on. And I'll film whatever I want to film that. Probably that monitor doesn't support it. I don't know if it's on either. I forgot what these do. I'll show these for it. But I'll have the monitor doesn't support 1080. It looks really weird on it, so I'll use the TV instead. There it is. The TV kind of cuts it off a little bit. It's really annoying. See why that's all cut off there. Probably setting I gotta adjust for it, but yeah, fuck it. I'll deal with it. So, yeah. On to the next part. Alright. So I like to show you guys how I do my things. I will be changing everything soon. Which is why I brought up the Elgato HD 960, the Elgato camera. I will be changing everything, including adding this to the setup, putting an HDMI splitter, a new microphone, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So that's kind of the motive behind doing all of this. The funny thing is, I just came up with her office tour and said she's gonna change everything. It's not funny because I was planning this video to change everything afterwards. So probably in July. This is June 12th. I'm recording this. I got a lot of editing to do, unfortunately, so it might be a while before this gets out. But yeah, if you guys enjoy the setup, I can't just do the new setup stuff. The goal of the next setup is to try to fix everything that's wrong with this setup. Because adding new setup might add new problems, so let's hope for the best and expect something pretty crappy probably to come along next. Hopefully, it can't get much worse than this setup though, because it can't get worse, but some things that go wrong in this setup are pretty fucking annoying. That's why it's gonna go soon. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it next time, take it easy.